Hi there, 6770 Sandy Lane, Riverside. Let's do a quick tour and take a look. Property's been newly listed. Everything's been completely updated in the home. Walk into a very large living room with a fireplace. It's got a really cool balcony right here. Listen to this. Just birds, wind, so peaceful up here. It's large enough to put your patio furniture out here. Enjoy the sunrise. East is that way. So, very large living room. You could possibly even close this off, put a wall right here if you wanted to, have another entrance come in on this side of the wall if you wanted to turn that into another room. As we walk in, see the kitchen here, large walk-in pantry. Let's take a look here. Yeah, you got a big pantry right there. Your dining area / family room over here. Lots of light. It's very open. Put in the recessed lighting, new paint inside, outside, new appliances. There's your dishwasher right here. These are the self-close cabinets or soft close cabinets. Everything is high tech here. Okay, coming out of the kitchen, coming to the first bedroom. This is the primary. So you got a big linen closet right here, right outside the primary bedroom. One of the cool things is you have high ceilings here, so you don't feel like the rooms are on top of you. Got a pretty large walk-in closet here. This big closet. Got a shower tub combo here. This is your shower. Your tub. Got a separate toilet right here. This is what I like. I like these toilets that you have. You can close it and you have some extra privacy. You got 2 sinks in the primary. New cabinets, new flooring, new fixtures, new recessed lighting. Let's go into bedroom number 2. This bedroom number 2. Really cool closet doors. They brought this vinyl flooring all the way over here to the rest of the house. Here's the guest bath. Shower tub combo. Really cool fixtures. It's the other bedroom right here. Also with the really cool doors. 6 panel doors. New fixtures. Recessed lighting everywhere. Recessed lighting in the bedrooms. Okay. Now, you do have an attached garage. So if you go down the stairs, garage is down there. You also have laundry down there. Let's take a look at this lot. It's sitting on a 20,000 square foot lot. A little shed over there. Little gazebo area right here. access down into the, it's a raised foundation, so foundation levels off. You have access right there. Got some posts right there. You could probably put a gate if you wanted to do a dog run, or just separate that area. 20,000 square foot lot, goes all the way up there. The views at night here are incredible. You can see the entire city. Let's go this way first. Check out the little shed area over here. Get your shed. Really nice big AC unit. Power the whole house. Get this really cool area right here. Fruit trees. And an area right here where you can hang out. Stay in the shade. Let's get up to the top here. It has a concrete roof. There's a friendly dog right there who wants to say hello. Let's get up here. Right here. The possibilities here are endless. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. You maybe want to level it off right here. Kind of see how the neighbors have this lot of privacy. It's layered in different sections. Look at this. At night, be able to see the views here. You have a dog that'll keep you company. He's not always out. It's actually the first time I've ever seen him. You got all these views. Side area. Electrical box there. So, for reference, it's a GE. Front right there. Down in the neighborhood. That's the front. Neighbors there to the side. Street here. Down the street goes into some fields and stuff over there. Your neighbors there on the side.